Okay, kiddos, what we're going to do is we're going to pound and tap. We're going to do some dictation over our spelling words. Remember that this week we are working on the 1-1-1 doubling rule, okay? And so when I mean 1, 1, got a little bit of a lag here going on. 1-1-1 doubling rule. What that means is that it has to be one syllable, one vowel, and one consonant. If it does not meet all of these rules, I do not have to double the final consonant. So when I say one consonant, it means one consonant as the final, as the end consonant. So when I say like the word red, okay, yes, I have two consonants in it, but the only one I'm really concerned about is the final consonant, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pound and tap a couple of our spelling words, talking about the 1-1-1 rule, asking ourselves if it meets the rule, and if we have to double that last consonant. Remember, I'm only doubling the last consonant if I'm adding a suffix on it that starts with a vowel. So any of these are going to be, see how they all start with a vowel, right? They all start with a vowel. So any of these are going to be, and if it meets the 1-1-1 rule, any of those words, when I'm adding these suffixes to these 1-1-1 rules, I'm going to double the final consonant, okay? All right, here we go. So I want you following along with me on a piece of paper, on a marker board. If you don't have those supplies, go and grab them. And once you get them, you're going to follow along with me. All right, our first word today is reddish. Ready? Let's pound it. Red-ish. Base word. Red. Tap it. D. Write it. Second syllable, ish. Pound it. Ish. We don't write it because it's a suffix. It means origin, nature, resembling. All right, this is what you should have. I have doubled this D because my base word, red, meets my 1-1-1 rule, and my suffix had a vowel to start. So I had to double that D. Okay, let's do another one. Quitting. I am quitting my job. Not really, but quitting. Okay, ready? Pound it. Quitting. First syllable, quit. Tap it. It. Write it. Second syllable, pound it. Ing. We don't tap it, it's a suffix. Okay, this is what you should have. Okay, notice that my T is doubled because my suffix starts with a vowel. And I know that we're tempted to say, Miss Megan, but quit has two vowels. It doesn't. See right here, these do not count as two vowels. This is only, this is only one vowel because my QU stay together. So my only vowel here is I. So I'm going to double that T, okay? Doubling that T. All right, let's do another one. Yeah, I know my iPad is lagging a little, so just stay with me. You'll see what it'll pop up and be there for you. All right, crunching, crunching. Pound it. Crunch-ing. First syllable, crunch. Tap it. Inch. Write it. Second syllable, ing. Pound it. Ing. We don't tap it because it's a suffix. And this is what you should have. Okay, notice I don't have to double anything. Even though my vowel or my suffix starts with a vowel, look at how many consonants I had at the end. My 1-1-1 rule says one. It's not gonna let me write right there. My 1-1-1 rule says one syllable, one vowel, one final consonant. I have one syllable. I have one vowel, which is the U, but look at how many final consonants I have. I'm supposed to only have one. So it doesn't meet all the rules, so I don't have to double anything. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Flatten. Flatten. Ready, pound it. Flat-in. First syllable, flat. Tap it. Full at. Write it. Second syllable, N. Pound it. N. Look at my mouth. N. Okay? I'm not going to tap it because it's a suffix. And this is what you should have. okay? Here is my word. Notice I have a suffix that starts with a vowel, one syllable, one final consonant. So that T was doubled, okay? All right, let's do another one. Stepping, stepping, stepping. First syllable, step. Tap it, write it. Second syllable, ing, pound it. We don't tap it because it is a suffix. And this is what you're going to have. Notice my suffix starts with a vowel. I've got one vowel, one final consonant, one syllable. So that P was doubled. Okay? All right. Almost done, kiddos. Bigger. I am bigger than you. Bigger. Pound it. First syllable. Tap. Right. Second syllable. This is what you should have. Notice I have a vowel on my suffix. One vowel, one syllable, one final consonant. So that G was doubled. Okay? That G was doubled. All right, let's do another one. Napping. I love napping. I love to nap. Okay, napping. Found it? Napping. First syllable, nap. Tap that. Write it. Second syllable, pound it. Ing. We don't tap it, it's a suffix. And this is what you should have. Notice that my suffix has a vowel, one syllable, one vowel, one final consonant, so that P was doubled. Okay? That 1-1-1 rule. All right. Almost done, kiddos. Swimming. I also love this one, swimming. I love to swim. Okay, swimming. Swim-ing. First syllable, swim. Tap it. Second syllable, pound it. Okay, this is what we should have. Notice my suffix starts with a vowel, one syllable, one vowel, one final consonant, so that consonant was doubled. Okay? That consonant was doubled. All right, almost done. Stay with me. Sinking. I am sinking in the mud. Sink-ing. First syllable, tap it. Ink. Here, stop saying ink. That's a rule that we have. Ink, ink, unk. Second syllable, ing. All right, and this is what we should have. Notice my my suffix does start with a vowel, but it is one syllable. It is one vowel. But look at how many consonants I have. I have too many consonants. Okay, and so because it does not match the 1-1-1 rule, I'm not going to double anything. Nothing is doubled here. Okay? We only double when it meets all of the rules. And our last one today is drummer. Drummer. Pound it. First syllable. Tap it. Write it. Second syllable. Pound it. And we write. All right. My suffix starts with a vowel. One syllable, one vowel, one final consonant. So my M was doubled. Okay, great job, kiddos. If you're struggling with this rule, this is a hard rule this week. If you are struggling with this rule, shoot me a message on Classroom, on Remind. I will get back with you. But remember that we are, that 1-1-1 rule has to have the one syllable, the one vowel, the one consonant at the end to double, okay? Also, I meant to tell you yesterday, and I may not have, we are on a short week this week. You're going to take your test earlier than what you normally do because at school we are having Fall Fest on the 30th. And so instead of you taking your test on Monday like you normally would, you're taking your test on Friday on the 30th. Okay. And so you only need to study 1 through 15. I'm cutting you off 5 words. Okay. You don't have to study the last 5, 16 through 20. So just 1 through 15 is what you're focusing on. Those will be the words on your spelling test. Okay, kiddos, thanks for working hard for me today.